Good day, guys. We will talk about cnidarians. Cnidarians, also called coelenterate, any member of the phylum Cnidaria, a group made of more than 9,000 living species, mostly marine animals. The cnidarians included the corals, hydras, jellyfish, Portuguese men of war, sea anemones, sea pains, sea whips, and sea fans.
The phylum Cnidaria is made of four classes: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa, and Cubozoa. All cnidarians share several attributes, supporting a theory that they had a single origin. Variety and symmetry of body forms, varied coloration, and the sometimes complex of life history. Cnidarians fascinate layperson and scientists alike, inhabiting all marines and some freshwater environments. These animals are most abundant and diverse in tropical waters. Their calcareous skeleton form the frameworks of the reefs and atolls in tropical seas, including the Great Barrier Reefs that extend more than 2,000 kilometers along the northeastern coast of Australia.
Only cnidarians manufacture microscopic intracellular stringing capsules, known as nematocysts, or cnidae, which give the phylum its name. The alternative name, coelenterate, refers to their simple organization around the central body cavity, the coelenteron. As first defined, coelenterates included not only the animals now designated cnidarians, but also sponges, or phylum Porifera, and gum jellies, or phylum Ctenophora. In contemporary usage, coelenterate generally refers only to cnidarians, but the latter term is used in order to avoid ambiguity.
Cnidarians are radial symmetrical. Similar parts are arranged symmetrically around a central axis. They lack specialization, concentration of sensory organs in a head. Their bodies have two cell layers rather than the three of so-called higher animals, and the sac-like colenteron has one opening the mouth. They are the most primitive of animals, whose cells are organization at a distance tissues, but they lack organs. Cnidarians have two body forms, polyp and medusa, which often occur within the life circle of a single cnidarian.
The body of Medusa, commonly called a jellyfish, usually has the shape of bill or an umbrella, with tentacles hanging downward at the margin. The tube-like manubrium hangs from the center of the bill, connecting the mouth at the lower end of manubrium to the colenteron. Within the bill, most medusae are slow-swimming, planktonic animals in the contrast. The mouth of the mouth and surrounding tentacles of polyps face upward, and the cylindrical body is generally attached by its opposite into the firm substratum. The mouth is the end of manubrium. In many hydrozoan polyps, anthozoan polyps have an internal pharynx or stomachium connecting the mouth to the colenteron.
Cnidarians reproduce both sexually and asexually. Some species can reproduce both eggs and sperms. In the some organisms, these organisms are called simultaneous hermaphrodites and release gametes into the ocean in egg-sperm bundles. Some species are called either male and female and produce either eggs or sperm. All cnidarian species are capable of sexual reproduction, which occurs in only one phase of the life cycle. Usually, the Medusa mini cnidarians also reproduce asexually.
Cnidaria sexual reproduction. Some cnidarians reproduce sexually. Medusae usually reproduce sexually as well as some polyps. Some species are hermaphroditic, meaning individual can produce both egg and sperm, while others are distinctly male or females. The hermaphroditic species typically cannot self-fertilize, although a few can. So more than one organism is still involved in the reproduction process. During this process, males release sperm and females release eggs into the water columns during spawning. Mass spawning events can happen with a plethora of creatures releasing eggs and sperm into the water column at the same time.